go into the church, you cannot take pictures or film. It's forbidden inside by the priests. It's like a museum. It has beautiful oil icons, holy icons, oil paintings, and silver or golden oil lamps. On the right, this is the old fortress. It's a masterpiece of the Venetian architecture. It was built between the 11th and the 16th century. It has two hilltops. After those two hilltops, the island was called Κορυφή Κορφού, which means hilltop. The white building at the feet of the first hill is St. George. It was an Anglican church built for the British Army, and Prince Philip was baptized in that church. Και μετά στο τρυπανέλα, που είναι να φάνε τώρα από τις 10 ώρα. Γιατί δεν είναι αργά. Ούτε δεν είναι αργά, τουλάχιστον κάτι παίζει. Τώρα μόλις αυτοί φάγανε πρωινό. It was designed, the fortress, it was designed by Venetian engineers, Michele San Michele Martinengo and Savorgnan. And they used the ruins of the ancient colony to build it. It looks like an island. It's surrounded by the sea. The only connection to the mainland is a bridge. It was a wooden drawbridge in the past, isolating and protecting the fortress and the city that lived inside till the 16th century. Of Corfu, who did many charities. The red building, it was a mansion once, private today. On the left, this is the yellow building. This is the archaeological museum here on the left. The oldest findings of Corfu are housed here on the left. One of the hotels, the oldest hotels here of Corfu. So we are very close to the town. On the right, the old fortress, St. George, where Prince Philip was baptized, the walls, the first hilltop. On the left, the main square, Esplanade. It was originally the Venetian defensive field. The bus will leave us outside the old fortress. I will walk you a little bit closer to the town. Free time and
Yeah, so it takes 20 minutes, she said.
Ito yung old fortress ng Corfu. Sa time pa yung Ottoman before Christ. Ito yung mga defense fortress nila. Napakaganda. Makikita mo yung mga artifacts dito. Dito daw yung nabaptize si King Philip. May mga kuan pa dyan sa baba, oh. Mga sailboats or mga parking boats pa dyan. Dami ding mga turista dyan. Ito yung flag ng Greece. Blue. Dito yung mga tauhan dito, yung entrance. Saka yung dagat na yun doon. At saka sa kabila, yun na yung Albania. Ito yung old fortress ng Corpo. Diyan yung makikita yung mga gallantry, mga armas ng dating mga sundalo ng Greece. At saka si Constantine pala itong nakagaling dito sa Greece. At saka ito yung dagat dyan, makikita mo. Ito yung dito. Ito yung old fortress ng Corpo. So may yun dyang daming mga turista dito. Yan. Ito yung statue ni Mati Komiti Simbachu Anno Domini 12. Ito yung siyang conqueror dito. Ayan. Kasama ni Artemis. May mga kalisa pa pala dito. Ayan. Tsaka dito yung mga turista. Napakarami. Ito yung entrance dito na dito. So yung mga isa sa mga statue dito, hindi natin alam kung pangalan nito. Saka doon yung fortress, mga old remnants dito sa Corpo, Greece. Ito yung mga remnants dito. Dito pa tayo sa Corpo. Ayan. Ganda. Ito yung old building ng Corpo, Greece, before Christ. They were built before Christ. Old na talaga siya. Tsaka doon kami parating doon. Marami din turista. Tsaka ito yung pinaka-square nila dito.
Here I will finish here. You have free time now. Shops, it's where local people meet. That's the way to the youth fortress. Shops
go this way?
So we are here in Corfu. Yung mga building nila luma na kasi ito pa yun during Constantine. Yun, may mga statue ni Constantine at dyan mga luma na mga structure. Dyan tayo papasok mamaya, tingnan natin yung mga tinitinda nila. May Church of Catherine, so ito yung square nila, Corfu Square. So pasok tayo doon. Ito yung mga Changi nila dito, souvenir shops sa Greece. May mga souvenirs dito, may aboy. Ito yung mga Changi nila dito sa Greece. Ito yung flag ng Greece. Sa mga perfumes, mga tinda. Liit lang yung daanan dito. Mga t-shirt. Tsaka St. Catherine Church.